Chase Ink Cash Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Ink Cash Business Card is perfect for businesses looking to maximize cash back on common expenses. Most people get this wrong. They think business cards are only valuable for travel or large purchases, but the surprising truth is everyday office spending can use significant rewards. The card earns 5% cash back on the first zero spent annually at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services. It also gives 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% on all other purchases. For example, a business spending 0 at qualifying office stores could earn 0 in cash back plus additional rewards on other expenses. Employee cards come at no extra cost, making it easy to track and maximize rewards across your team. Additional perks include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and no annual fee, ensuring that the card provides strong value without extra cost. In conclusion, the Chase Ink Cash Business Card is an excellent way to turn everyday office and utility expenses into meaningful cashback. With high return rates on key categories, employee benefits, and no annual fee, it's a practical and rewarding choice for any business.